The Crew Exploration Vehicle, or CEV, is the first human-rated spacecraft capable of landing on other worlds and returning home to land on Earth. With a crew of 4, the CEV begins its mission atop an existing heavy launch vehicle for rendezvous in low Earth orbit with external propellant tanks. The external propellant tanks are pre-positioned in low Earth orbit by earlier cargo launches. The CEV now travels to the L1 gateway at the Earth-Moon Lagrange point number 1. The L1 location, roughly 36,000 miles above the lunar surface, allows access to any lunar landing site, permitting greater flexibility for lunar exploration and greater safety for the crew. Note that using the L1 gateway location also provides a CEV resupply and refueling capability for multiple trips between the L1 gateway and different lunar landing sites during the same mission. At the L1 gateway, the CEV docks with the larger external tanks for the moon landing and return to Earth. The crew picks up pre-positioned supplies from a safe haven vehicle kept at L1. The CEV leaves the L1 gateway and lands on the Moon. When lunar operations are complete, the system's architecture flexibility allows the CEV to lift off from the Moon for a return to the L1 gateway or the return trip to Earth. As the CEV nears Earth, the spacecraft separates with the external tanks. The tanks burn up during their re-entry in the Earth's atmosphere. The CEV enters the atmosphere and aerobrakes to reduce velocity. The aerobraking maneuver allows the CEV to skip in the atmosphere, reducing re-entry G-loads as the spacecraft travels downrange for touchdown on land. The landing sequence uses a combination of parachutes. Small drogue chutes first orient the vehicle for landing. Then larger drogue chutes slow the vehicle for deployment of the main parachutes. Once the main chutes have further reduced the vehicle's speed and the required altitude is reached, the CEV fires its engines for a soft touchdown on land. The Schafer CEV, an architecture concept, provides multiple abort options and landing options to maximize crew safety and mission flexibility. The Crew Exploration Vehicle, the first human-rated spacecraft capable of landing on other worlds and returning home to land on Earth.